We know you're Brian O'Connor, formerly of the LAPD.
Man, you got the wrong guy.
Really?
How you doing, O'Connor?
The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kimball County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, Banner County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, southeastern Goshen County in southeastern Wyoming, east central Laramie County in southeastern Wyoming, until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oliver Campground, or 12 miles northwest of Kimball, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. A second area of rotation was located about 10 miles northwest of Pine Bluffs, also moving northeast. The storm is capable of producing a tornado and hail up to 3 inches in diameter. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Harrisburg around 6:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bushnell. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska near mile marker 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: in Wyoming, Goshen and Laramie,